This is Pam, and I am staying at the Atlanta Hilton, and they call this the one in Hapeville, which is the Atlanta Airport on Virginia Avenue. And I'm just going to give you a quick look around the room. I am staying in a double room today. This is just your standard double room, and it has a large vanity, the television, work area, a little seating area over here. Normally there's a floor lamp, but that seems to be missing, so I don't know if it's just this room, but I'll give you a full view of the room. And I am up on the 15th floor. The view here, you can see Atlanta, the city of Atlanta. But I'm right here by the airport, so this is a place that I like to stay. It's not luxury by any means. It's been here a while, but it's convenient. And I like to take the groom shuttle in from Chattanooga. And that's a quick ride. You can leave your car out there. They make daily trips from Chattanooga to Birmingham, Nashville, Atlanta, and they usually run every hour of the day. I'm not sure what the end time is for those, but that's what I like to do. That way I don't have to pay airport parking and don't have to deal with trying to get into the Atlanta traffic, and then again try to park over at the airport. The airport has a lot of construction going on, and even today the pickup location for the hotel shuttles, that has all moved since I was here just a few months ago. So let me show you the rest of the room. And we will walk into the little hospitality area. All of the rooms I've stayed in, they all have a small microwave and then this little mini fridge. And this has some water in it that I put in here. If you are gold or diamond, they will give you 2 waters when you check in. And they do have waters for sale in the room, but it's the Fiji water, and it's $8 a bottle. But that's very good water if you like it. They have the Crabtree brand lotion and soap over here. And then the shower, it's the rain shower. And they have the Crabtree shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner in the shower. So that's about it for my little room tour. Again, I just like staying here. They do have a shuttle, and it runs to the airport every half hour. So it starts at 4 o'clock in the morning, runs all day. I believe it shuts down at midnight, but that's always a great option if you're flying in late, flying out early, to stay here at either the Hilton or one of the other hotels that are nearby that have the airport shuttle. I'm going to show you the salad that I got downstairs with my Hilton Honors credit. It's a strawberry spinach salad, and I added chicken. You can add salmon, shrimp, chicken, whatever you want to it for an additional fee. So I decided I would try to eat somewhat healthy tonight. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. This will allow me to continue putting content out there and will allow my small channel to continue to grow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.